LANSON Precision Machinery Company, Limited, established in 2005, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale and service of plastic injection molding machine and cold chamber die casting machine. We are located in Shunde District, Foshan City, Guangdong Province with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained SGSCE certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as North America, Europe, Africa, Asia, etc. We also welcome customized orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.